Good day, dear children. You all are welcome to the social class. Our 7th day Adventist Middle School Puducherry welcomes you for the social class. In this class, we are going to see the new lesson from the Around the World book, that is the lesson number 7. That is one of the case study. Already we have learned about that North American continent, that Canada is located in the North American continent. The case study about only Canada. One of the work happens in this place. That is we are going to learn as the lesson today. That Around the World book's 7th lesson we are going to see. The topic of the lesson is case study lumbering in Canada. Lumbering is the main occupation of the Canadian people. Here we are going to see about that lumbering. First we can see about that latitudinal and longitudinal location of that Canada and in the world. Canada stretches from about 82 degree north latitude in the north to 49 degree north latitude in the south, and from about 53 degree west longitude in the east to 141 degree west longitude in the west. That is the location of the Canada on the globe. Okay, how we can found the place on the globe means if we know the value of that grid, if we know the place value of that latitude and in longitude, we can find that place on the globe very easily. Now we can see, we have seen that one now, that is the latitude and longitude of North America, that is located in the northern hemisphere. The climate of this North America is very cold. In the northern hemisphere, there is no more sunlight, no, so the climate will be very cold. Already we have seen that Canada is located in the northern hemisphere, means so no more sunlight, for only less level only the sunlight, so the climate is very cold. Most of the time the temperature will be the below freezing point only. They are in the natural vegetation of that Canada is the forests are pine, fir, spruce, larch, cedar and maple. Here we can see some characteristics of this coniferous forest. The trees in these forests are evergreen. The tree spices occur in pure stands. There is no undergrowth. The trees have needle-shaped leaves which helps to check excessive transportation. The sloping branches allow snow to slide down quickly. The thick barks protect the trees from extreme cold weather. The name Canada has been derived from the Red Indian word Kanata, which means village or settlement. The word was picked up by the early European discoverers who later adopted the present spelling. Then the lumbering of Canada have some more works. First, felling of trees, cutting tree trunks into logs, transporting the logs to the river for sending them sawmills. How they are sending these trees are making this lumbering. Lumbering means that work, no? The valuable softwood trees of the taiga region have helped in the development of the lumbering. Here, most of the lumber camps are located near rivers because they are using that rivers only for transportation to take these trees, these woods, no, timbers from one place to another place through rivers only. So most of the timberjacks, that lumber camps are located near the rivers only. And you see the work of the here in this lumber camp, the bunkhouse, cookhouse, staff house, estate house, washroom, and store is store. These are the these rooms are available. Bunkhouse means in the bunkhouse the that wood, no, this wood will be sleep without work. Then the cookhouse means in the cookhouse they will cook their food. Staff house will take rest and the staff room, like that. Now we can see the work of the lumberjacks. The work of the lumberjacks are cutting and felling trees, cutting the main trunk into logs, hauling the logs to the landing grounds, transporting the logs to the sawmills or pulp mills. Then the lumberjacks are four types. First one is high riggers, sawyers or buckers, and skiders and haulers. Then we can see about the lumpering activities. The activities are after cutting that lumperings, that trees will be fell down after cutting, no, that will be various sizes changes. They will change these trees into various sizes, and this process is called as limbing. And after limbing, the logs are ready to be sent to the landing sites, that is called as skiding. And then after skiding, the logs will be piled on slicks or huge trucks, that is take to the logs to the banging grounds. Then the transportation of logs are called as hauling. The four types of work, the lumbering works, no, categories of lumberjacks we have seen, no. The first one is high rigger, then second one is sawyer, third one is skider, fourth one is hauler. You see, just we can see this as a lumberjack or lumbering, but many of the people are working in this lumberjacks, because you see there the bunkhouse, cookhouse, staff house, estate office, washroom, and all. Then in these places, bunkhouse means they are the people, the lumberjacks are sleeping on that bunkhouse. There also the people need to work to safely guard that bunkhouse. The cookhouse means there the people may be the people are cooking the food, no, like that. The several works are going in this lumberjack. So many people engaged in this work.